For March, I estimate getting $18.54 for both of my checks. Let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit. Okay, so the total for both of those would be $18.54 plus $18.54. That'd be $3,708. Okay. Oh my goodness, I messed up. Okay, hello everyone. So I'm gonna go over my March budget. Make sure to like the video and yeah, just watch the ads. That's all I ask. But let's go ahead and get started. So I get paid twice a month, so I get pay 1, pay 2. My estimate is $18.54 for both paychecks. So that'd be a total of, let me go ahead and see if I can zoom in. Total of $3,708. Okay, so after that are my lovely fixed expenses. The first one, of course, is my mortgage. So that's mortgage. Second is phone. I have Spotify, my gym membership, my internet, and I think that's, and ADT, my house alarm. So mortgage is $13.42. My phone is $134. Spotify 10, gym is 10, internet is 30, and my alarm is 50. So I'm gonna take 3708 in my calculator minus 1342, so you guys can see, minus 1342 minus 134 minus 10 minus 10 minus 30 minus 50. So I'd have 2,132 to work off of that. For my cash envelopes, I have groceries, gas, and spending. Spending I use to eat out or buy anything I would like. For groceries, I'm gonna estimate $150 for groceries. Gas is gonna be maybe $130 or $140. I'll do $140 because I'm gonna be going on a training for work for about 3 weeks, so I will be driving more and prepping less meals. Spending is still, I'm gonna try to keep it at 100. So okay, so after that, that's minus 150 minus 140 minus 100. I have 1742 left, so almost the rest of my second paycheck will go to sinking funds and my debt. So for sinking funds, I like to set money aside for utilities because sometimes they're due every 2 months, every 3 months. Car expenses, that includes everything. So my registration renewal, insurance, and maintenance. medical and dental, gifts, giving, electronics, clothing, house maintenance, vacation, and for debt I have my roof and my car payment. So for debt, roof is $500, car is $300, so that'll be $800 for both of those payments. Let's take away the debt first. So minus $800, I have $942 to work off of. For utilities, I like putting away $120 for sure. House maintenance, I'll do $100. Vacation, $20. Let's see what, so let's minus 100 minus 20 minus 120 equals 702. So for medical and dental, I'll do 10. Gifts, I'd like to do, I should do 40. Electronics, 10, and clothing, 20 maybe. I'll do 10. So what did I add? Added electronics and clothing, so that's minus 20, minus 40 for the gifts, and 10 for the medical and dental. I have 632 left. Okay, for car expenses, I want to put away 160. And for giving, I want to put away 40. So gifts is more for like birthday gifts, and giving is more for like charities. So from what I have here, I would have about $432 to put towards other things. So most likely Snowball, but I also want to get a little ahead. I want to get ahead in my mortgage. I used to be a full month ahead. I want to get ahead at least half a month so that my first paycheck doesn't, usually my first paycheck mostly goes all towards mortgage and then some necessities. But I kind of want to get ahead on that. So for the rest, it's going to be Snowball 432. But let me just check the math. So 3708 minus the mortgage, 134 minus 10, 10, 20, 30, 50, 100 minus 250 minus 140, 1742 minus 800 for the debt, minus 120 minus 160 minus 10 minus 80 minus 20 minus 100 minus 20 equals 432. So my debt number will be 432. Oh, that's great. Real great. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh, let's see. So 432 plus 800 total to the debt, what would be 1232 if I go ahead and stick with this budget? I hope so. So now I have to stick with the budget because this would be pretty amazing. 1,232. I don't believe it. Is it really? Wow. Wow. Anyway, so I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment.